The machine has arrived. Here's the machine we built at the factory. And this is the one that's got all the signatures on it, right in there. And we're gonna unpack it and see what we got going. Looks like we got some guillotines. And this one's gonna have the upright with the famous aluminum spool. These are one of my favorites. And this machine is a KWM full size. Let's unpack it. All right, I got my speaker on right here, 1212 DJI. All right, let's open this up and see what we got going. Ooh, look at this. We got some tools up in there. Is there a special way of opening this? Yeah, or, wow, they did a nice job packing. Let's see. There we go. There's the machine. Let's see here. Wow, look at this. Look at this heavy duty attention remove from ship and skid. So I'm guessing that thing right there. That's a really thick cord right there. Is that like an upgrade? Probably. Let's see if I can remove this. There it is. That's a heavy duty cord. All right, thank you KWM, Keith and Keith Miner. And what else we got here? We got some kind of tools. So here we go. I'm gonna take the tools off. Check out these signatures. I got Patrick, Danny. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's Keith Miner right there.
So this unit is not for sale. This is strictly for us.
Well, I'll sell the machine, but I'm keeping the placard. How's that?
That's a good idea.
Okay, machine came with some tools. There's a screwdriver, there's that. Ooh, look at that, extra bolts. That's helpful. Just in case you strip one of your bolts out. That's nice. And little KWM placard. The largest manufacturer, #1 seller of gutter machines in the United States. That's super exciting. All right, well, let's keep going, see what else we find. We have a guillotine, and this one is the 5K guillotine. There it is. I actually set this one up at the factory. I set the gauges, so if it doesn't cut, it's my fault. Oh, look at that. That's my fault, because I set it up. This is my machine that I did at the factory. So Keith helped me out with this one. I'm gonna set this over here. Very, very interested in how the machine gets built. Let's take a peek inside. Let's open this up. Oh yeah, look at that. That's beautiful. Beautiful machine. KWM did a fantastic job. You know what? We're probably gonna take the covers off anyway. You get a manual for the combo. Very nice. It's got all your instructions how to fix the gutter machine. There you go. All the stations, all the electrical components, everything's in the book. So let me grab another cool feature of KWM is this coil meter. That's a really good thing here. Okay, there we go. And I believe they made special handles for me. Shortened version. Yes, thank you very much. Let's see, where's the old one? this. Right over here. You see that? Wow, and it's a different.
Well, why would you want it shorter?
Because it's in the way in the walkway.
Can you show me?
Once they get the gutter machine in there, I'll show you because it was sticking out in the middle of the hallway. I'll show you that later. I'll leave this on the ground. All right. So this one comes with one upright. This is a full-size machine. Ironman KWM. What else can I say? World's best gutter machine. Let's see here. I don't think we need that. Let's uncover the thing here. Right in here. Twist. 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 And it should pop up. There we go. And it does have a built-in holder here for the what's it called? For the strength. We're gonna keep popping these covers off. 1, 2, 3, 4. There they are. Ooh, look at that. Why don't you just look at this? Premium of the premium. And I want to show you the inside of this machine. One more. Thank you very much. I usually leave these covers on. I don't know. They don't bother me. But should I attempt to take it off? Nah. Or should I? Let's see.
Leave it. It's fine.
Yeah. We'll take it off later. It'd be nice if they just had KWM all over this sticker. So there it is. Chains are well tensioned. The orange is where the connections are. Everything's secured. Everything. I actually set this machine to 6K at the factory when I was out there. It is ready to go. This machine is ready to roll. We're gonna load it up, put it inside the truck, and we'll show you how it looks.